Welcome to qasimcad YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make seamless pattern in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Photoshop and open a new canvas 400 x 400 pixels. Drag and drop your design and adjust it as you want. I have some fish designs and bubbles. You can select multiple designs at once. After adjustment of the designs, select all layers and merge it. Go to Filter tab, select Others and select Offset. Enter value 200. This is half of the canvas. If you use bigger canvas, enter offset value half of it. Now add more design in the empty area. Change the background color as you desire. Go to Edit menu, select Define Pattern, and enter the pattern name, hit OK. Now create a new canvas bigger than the pattern. Go to Edit menu again, select Fill tool, and select the pattern you saved and apply. Your seamless pattern is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question.